Hey, it's an unboxing video, and so stick around and watch. I am unboxing an Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. Watch this. Here's the unboxing. I got the Insta360 Flow Pro Creator Kit, Ultimate AI Tracking Stabilizer. But this one's gonna let me get away with it without taking the case off. And I got the Creator Edition so that I could have that magnet for the back of my phone. So, Creator Kit, let's go. Let's open it. See, I have the hardest time opening things. So, we're going to unbox this thing. All right. Let's unbox. Okay, let's find a sharp object. I'm unboxing challenged. I can't open it right. All right. There we go. Okay. All right. I'm getting in now. I swear. Okay. Now. Okay, so it's open now. All right, let's see if I can get it open. Yes, I'm set. I'm unboxing challenge. It's true. Oh wait, I'm supposed to open here. Okay, open. All right, so now I got the plastic shrink wrap off. I pulled this. Okay, now, okay. That opens. Okay, all right, so, look, instructions. Okay, all right. Find out what that is. Here is the actual piece. I'm trying to get it open. I'm trying, okay. Ooh, pretty. I like that. Okay, all right. How do I gotta learn how to close it back. Okay, it's got a red light. I bet that means it needs to be charged. I'll probably put on some charging somewhere here. Hopefully somewhere here. Oh, there we go. I see lights right there. So there was a red light, so I assume that means it needed a charge. So we'll charge it for a little bit. Let's see what happens. While that's charging, let's see what else we got here. So here is the clip, and let's see how it fits onto. So this is an iPhone 16 Pro, not the Pro Max. I got the Pro. Problem I had with like the previous clip is that when I put it on, it'd push all the buttons. It would push all the buttons. Okay, cool. So good. It's not pushing all the buttons. So that's very good. I'm excited about that because when it pushes all the buttons. All right. So what's in here? Ooh, camera tracking with compatible app. Free tilt mode. Oh, yeah. I heard about that. Oh, it's got a bag. Whoa. And 1,000 things to pour into my lap, including a sticker. Think bold. Warranty card. Flow Pro safety guidelines. Safety guidelines? Who needs that? Stickers? I like stickers. Yeah. So safety and spotlight and magnetic phone mount and quick start guide. This is the one we'll need first. And warranty card. Okay, so we'll put that out of the way. Spotlight, we'll figure out what that means. I think that's the light. Magnetic phone mount. Nope, we want the quick start guide. So there's that. Now, here's this. Turn around. So, okay, that's kind of a quick start guide. iOS. This is probably get you started with the app. Camera with tracking 200 compatible apps. So, and a bag, which I do use the bags to keep things when I'm not using them. I'm very big on using bags. All right, so here is whatever that is and whatever that is. So one of them has to be the magnet. So I'm gonna open Sesame. Okay, that's the spotlight. I was pretty excited about that. Anything else? Oh, there's other stuff in there. Oh, it's just full of stuff. Cable. Here's the USB to USB, which is what I'll need. This is USB-A to USB-C, which is good. All right. Now, I'm assuming in here, there'll be the magnet. I also assume I can open the box. Okay, let's try the other end. Oh, the other end. Oh, that's actually, okay, cool. All right. There it is. Anything else? Nope, there's nothing else in the box. So, there's the magnetic clip that goes on the back of the phone. So, use the MagSafe if you have an iPhone. All right, cool. Okay, so cool beans. Yeah. Okay, so I unboxed it and updated the firmware. So my next video, I'll show you some of the cool features and I'll do a review. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.